If you want to keep your typography consistent and save time in Figma, learning how to create text styles is one of the best things you can do. Text styles let you reuse font settings, like typeface, size, weight, line height, and letter spacing across your designs. So instead of manually adjusting every text layer, you can apply the same style in just a couple of clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create text styles in Figma step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, you need to select the text layer that already has the font, size, and weight that you want to save as a style. This part is important because Figma will use the formatting from the selected text as the foundation for your new style. So click on the text on your canvas and make sure it already looks the way you want it to appear in future designs. If needed, you can also set up the text properties first, such as the font family, font size, font weight, line height, and any other formatting you want to reuse later. Once your text layer is selected, look over to the right sidebar and find the text section. This is where Figma shows all the typography settings for the selected layer. Inside that section, you'll see a 4-dot icon, which is the style icon. Click that icon to open the text styles panel. This panel is where you can manage existing styles or create a brand new one. If you're building a design system or just trying to keep your file organized, this is the spot you'll use regularly. Now that the style pop-up is open, look for the plus button in the top right corner. This is the Create Style button, and this is what you'll use to save the current text formatting as a reusable style. Click the plus icon, and Figma will open a small window where you can define the style before saving it. This step turns your selected text settings into something you can apply anywhere else in the file. Next, give your style a clear and descriptive name. A good naming system makes a huge difference, especially if you're working on larger projects or collaborating with a team. For example, you can name it Heading 1, Body Regular, Subtitle, or Caption. If you want to keep things more organized, you can use a slash in the name like Desktop Heading 1. That automatically groups your styles into folders, which makes them much easier to find later. You can also add an optional description if you want to leave notes about where the style should be used, such as homepage headers, mobile body text, or product descriptions. After naming your style, click Create Style to finish. Once you do that, Figma saves the text settings as a reusable text styles, and you can apply it to other text layers anytime you want. That means if you ever need to update the style later, you can change it once and keep your typography more consistent across the whole file. This is a huge time saver and one of the best ways to build clean, scalable Figma projects. And that's it. You've just created a text style in Figma. Now you know how to select a text layer, open the style panel, create a new style, name it properly, and save it for future use. If you found this useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Figma tips, design tutorials, and beginner-friendly workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.